Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a random place text effect in CapCut PC. Sorry, I'm getting hiccup. Alright, so for example, I'm going to select this black screen and select text, select default text. You're just going to just for the duration and change for text. Sorry, I'm getting hiccup. Alright, after done, you're just going to go to animation and select in animation and select random place right here. But it is for effect, you have design proper to be able to use this effect. So you can adjust for the duration of the animation. And this is the final effect you have on your text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the section down below. Thank you so much for watching.